C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p10. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p10. Parabola focus formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. Here's our alien radio signal. This is a research keyword for parabola, focus formula, core, mirror placement, signals with laser beams for a UFO spaceship from WOW data. January 24, 2013. Today is the 29th. Recurrent and dependency graph, Extrema, adequality, optimization, keyword research are from the next series of videos. So it originally came, the keyword Paraboloid properties is from the previous video of line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p9 and neural paraboloid Extrema UFO 5G Wow Seti. So January 24, 2013. Quotes and diagrams from, actually, you know what? I'm going to backtrack because this originally started at a different video. Number 8. Sorry, I'm going back to the last video. No, it's not on there. Which one was it? It's on this one here. So it actually started number 7. Okay, you know what? I got to add that into my notes because I always copy and paste this into the info of the YouTube video, and I just want to put that in there so we know where it originally came from. And it's always important because you want to mix, if there's more than one formula, then you want to make sure you put the formulas together. Let's go here. There we go. Okay, so it makes a little bit more stuff, but I'll fix it later. So you want to backtrack to line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p10 genetic algorithms nonlinear formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. I'm going to stick it over here on the right side for later. And January 24th, the quote and diagrams are from the blog. Focus of a parabola. The focus of a parabola is a fixed point on the interior of a parabola used in the formal definition of the curve. A parabola is defined as follows. For a given point called the focus and given a line not through the focus called the directrix, a parabola is the locus of points such that the distance to the focus equals the distance to the directrix. Note, for a parabolic mirror, all rays of light emitting from the focus reflect off the parabola and travel parallel to each other, parallel to the axis of symmetry as well. And that's from www.mathwords.com. So January 24th, the formula from the data. So we're going to focus, parabola, fixed point, interior, core of UFO, parabola, curve, given point, focus, line, directrix, locus of points, distance to focus equals distance to directrix, parabolic mirror, rays, light, emit from focus, reflect off, parabola, lattice, crystals, nanowires, microwires, carbon, nanotubes, copper, superalloys, atoms, neurological responses, generate electrical impulses, liquid argon, laser beams. So this is a focus of a parabola diagram. It says vertical parabola and horizontal parabola, and there's the equations for it. P is the distance from the vortex to the focus, both the line and the axis of symmetry. Okay, and then L1, L2, no matter where point P is taken on the parabola. There's that. Okay. And this is axis of symmetry. I always look up stuff to see what it means, because honestly, if you read it, sometimes it just doesn't click. Okay. This is a graph of the parabola, and there's the math equation to go with it. With all its major features labeled, axis of symmetry, focus, vertex, and directrix. And that's from mathwords.com as well. The keyword paraboloid continues. Quotes from Wiki. With A equals B, an elliptic paraboloid is a paraboloid of revolution, a surface obtained by revolving a parabola around its axis. It is the shape of the parabolic reflectors used in mirrors, antennas, dishes, and the like, and is also the shape of the surface of a rotating liquid. A principle used in liquid mirror telescopes and in making solid telescope mirrors. See rotating furnace. This shape is also called a circular paraboloid. There is a point called the focus or focal point on the axis of a circular paraboloid such that if the paraboloid is a mirror, light from a point source at the focus is reflected into a parallel beam parallel to the axis of the paraboloid. This also works the other way around. A parallel beam of light incident on the paraboloid parallel to its axis is concentrated at the focal point. This applies also for other waves, hence parabolic antennas. For a geometrical proof, click here. The hyperbolic paraboloid is a doubly ruled surface. It contains two families of mutually skew lines. The lines in each family are parallel to a common plane but not to each other. The keyword recurrent and dependency graph is going to continue in the next several videos. Literally. Okay? Thanks for watching.